Ever wished you could hit the refresh button on your Venmo profile? Maybe that username you thought was hilarious back in college is now, well, not so much. Or maybe you've just been itching for a fresh start. You're not alone. Your Venmo username is the first thing people see when they send you money, and it's a huge part of your digital identity. So, if you're ready to ditch Party Animal 2015 for something a little more, shall we say, professional, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through exactly how to change your Venmo username, step by step. Before we dive in, a quick heads up, your username is unique. Once you change it, no one else can use your old one, and you can't go back to it later if someone else snags it. So, choose wisely. Ready? Let's get started. First, open up the Venmo app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on the Me tab. It's usually a single-person icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Next, look for the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on that. Now you'll see a menu with a bunch of different options. Tap on Edit Profile. This is where the magic happens. You'll see fields for your name, phone number, email, and, of course, your current username. Tap on the username field. A pop-up will appear, and you can now type in your brand new username. As you type, Venmo will let you know if the username you've chosen is available. If it's not, you'll need to try something else. Get creative. Maybe add a middle initial or phone number. Once you find a username that's available and you love, hit Save or Done. Venmo will ask you to confirm the change. Once you do, congratulations. Your new Venmo username is officially live. It's a simple process, but a crucial one for maintaining your digital presence. And remember, this change will be reflected across all your Venmo activity, so your friends will see your new handle the next time they pay you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.